little cool ducks. Aren't they cool?
My name is Kayla. Did y'all just see that little Raven recycle?
They look ready and she did it! Because here comes Buddy. Yeah.
Molly, do you want to do your song?
Great job!
And that was La Cucaracha!
This is Natasha, and she's a pterodactyl. Fraser. Fraser. Aquastar Kayla.
Tonight, the host of the town, Chef Remy, will deliver you a culinary masterpiece.
So, we've just come off the Remy's ride, which we queued for about, I'd probably say overall about 40 minutes for this morning, and that was before we got in. And then when you get in, the queue is absolutely huge as well, and it's now probably about an hour, probably more. The rider park's just open for guests, normal guests, staying outside a Disney property. So we're heading through to Frozen Ever After, because on our honeymoon we didn't get a chance to do that. The same as Remy's, we've just come off that, we didn't get to do that last time either. So we're making a real conscious effort to try and do as many rides as we can that we didn't get to do last time. So now we're heading over to Bavaria, Germany? Norway? None of the above countries. We're heading over to there to do Frozen, and then once we've done that we can relax a little bit. Yeah, and start eating around the world, because ideally that's what Epcot's for. We've got virtual queue for Guardians and Lightning Lane for Guardians, so knowing our luck we'll probably get the same song twice, but we'll see. But either way, the whole point today really is to make sure that we kind of try and use Epcot for the food. Yeah, we've neglected it a little bit because when we came last time, which was what, 4 days ago?
It was last Friday.
Yeah, it was so busy because it was Jersey week and it was Veterans weekend as well. Yeah. So it was just unbearable.
For about an hour.
Yeah, we were in the park. Yeah, for like an hour, and then we were just like, right, this is too much. So we decided to kind of go somewhere else. But now we're here today, and then I think the plan is today. Look, my hair's going crazy.
Because the wind literally blew my ears. Oh God, now spit's coming out as I'm going.
I'll embrace the crazy hair. But yeah, now we're just going to try and make the most of today, really, because Epcot's about the food. That's what we want to try and make the most of. We want to try and eat as much food as we can today.
Food and wine festival.
Yeah, and we got some vinyls to paint later as well, which will be pretty cool. So we're going to go back to the hotel in a bit to paint some vinyls, and then I think the plan really is to then come back to Epcot and then make our way to Magic Kingdom tonight for Happily Ever After. So we'll see how we go from there. We're just heading into Germany now, so we're not far from Frozen. The queue at the minute for Frozen is only 35 minutes as well, so to be fair, we're actually quite lucky, because usually it's
like 60, 70.
Yeah, it's like an hour and a half. So we're doing pretty well to get in at the time that we are. So we're just going to go on Frozen, and then after that we're just going to chill for a little bit. So we're at the end of the line for Frozen. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set a timer, because apparently it's going to be 40 minutes, but we'll see.
I don't know what you do. Full of bushes, including ours.
Wet look. But now we can go and eat loads of whatever's food. Loads of food from different.
Look, it's you. I do that. That's good. So currently going through Mexico, we've made our way all the way back, and we're now on the hunt for a lot of food. Just starving.
Yeah, the food stands aren't open yet, but
that we can see. Oh, there's Donald Duck over there.
we'll have to see.
Yeah, the next one we see, we'll ask them what time. It's currently 10:15.
And I'm starving.
I'm starving. Both our tummies are rumbling a lot.
I'm hungry now, big time.
But hey, look at that view. So we're now heading back to Norway because
Bakery or cafe?
basically, yeah, that's where we're gonna go.
Bakery.
Bakery. Bakery og cafe.
What do I do? So if you think the prices are crazy in America,
For a single can of copper bags, $12.
they're the differences, isn't it?
Yeah. Zoom into the cookies.
2 sunrise with ice cream.
That's fine. This is a lefse. This is very big. Just cinnamon, butter, and something else. Jake's got a cookie. Triple chocolate, see it.
Whoa.
Wait, why am I really zoomed in?
I don't know.
I was really zoomed in.
Expose me like
Oh
that.
wow. Have a bite?
No.
I'm sure you had a bite of this.
I just ate the tortilla.
Yeah, that's having a bite of it.
How good is that? Not blown our socks off, has it? It's blown mine off.
My cookies are back.
It's incredible.
So yeah, it's currently 10:30. Things are definitely still not open. That's our menu. We're probably gonna go the crispy duck bao buns with oyster sauce. So we just asked someone and they all open at 11. So that means I get to look through some gift shops. No, not yet. Relax.
Can't.
Because we've got a monster. So we get heart palpitations now.
Yeah. Done.
Reflections of China. Discover ageless beauty, that's what I need.
Or is that the... No, that's
Japan.
yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Where are the shops? There is a cafe. You happy with your monster?
I am. It's the first one I've had this trip.
Well done. Inside Shanghai Disney Resort. So this is everything in the Disney Resort in Shanghai Disney. So what I know, it's very, very similar, but it's the same in the Tokyo one as well. Obviously they have quite spiritual beliefs.
They've got a Zootopia as well, which isn't in...
They do have a
in
Zootopia.
Disney World.
But yeah, there's certain things that they had to agree with Disney. So for example, the castle had to face a certain way due to feng shui, things like that. So yeah, a lot of planning work went into building Shanghai and Tokyo to make sure it was cultural appropriate.
What's her name was only...
Can't say it.
They could only put her there if she was allowed to smoke.
Duffy and Friends.
So Duffy is...
That's a big thing there.
basically like...
Characters.
Disney's Mickey, basically, over there.
Well, no, you still have Mickey over
Yeah,
there, but this is just another very, very big character. Duffy and Friends. But yeah, you can like meet all the characters and whatnot. And yeah, highly raved about.
I like that dragon.
I like that boulder.
I like that boulder.
That's a nice boulder.
They've got Tron as well.
They have got Tron. I think.
Well, Tron must have been there a lot longer. Because Tron's only just really come to Florida, isn't it?
Yeah.
Buzz Lightyear's. So they've got Buzz Lightyear's Planet Rescue as well. So I think everything over there is a lot bigger.
Model.
Yeah. They've got a lot of bigger things over there. But I don't think, obviously it's not as big as Orlando, but a lot of their...
Orlando is the ultimate biggest one. It's like the same size as San Francisco.
Yeah.
Or bigger. I can't remember. Very nice and cool in here. Look at that trim. Look at that trim, Phoenix.
It's better than my trim at the minute.
Nothing's wrong with your trim. This is not going well. Can't do the food. The shops are closed. Sad. Just want to look at the pretty fans.
There you go.
That took us way too long.
So our group has been called for Guardians, but
10:40, so we have an hour.
I feel like the universe has tried to stop us continuously going to food stores. So we're going to wait till 11, get some food, because we're going to try the, what is it, crispy duck?
Nothing crispy, just the duck. The duck bao buns.
So I can prove Annabelle wrong. It literally says crispy duck bao buns.
That's what it says.
Sorry. Yeah, so it's either that, the pan-fried chicken dumplings, or the Shanghai scallion noodles with shrimp. So we're going to go for this, the bao bun, do that,
Yeah.
and then we're going to go to Guardians,
Do that.
do that twice, because we've got a fast pass for it as well.
Yeah, to be fair, by the time.
So we're going to go on the ride, come off the ride, go back on the ride,
Yeah.
and then I think, oh, glasses are flying away. And then once we've done that, I think we're going to make our way back to China, so that we can then just kind of go the way we were going to go. Yeah, because then we can do the Werther's shop and stuff like that as well.
Not in China though.
But we just, for some reason, every single time we try to do something, something comes up.
Yeah.
So it's like difficult for us to be able to do what we want to do. But I suppose that's the fun of it.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Hello.
That's better.
Yeah.
So this is what we got. It's a crispy duck bao bun. So it does have, is that cucumber?
Yep. Yeah, keep that on.
I'll let you have the first bite.
Thank you. Make sure the plate don't fly away.
That's like really crispy duck.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Is it good?
That's like all you're about to drip. I want to have some of the cucumber. That's incredible.
Wow. We're going to try and tick off as many of these as we can.
I haven't got a pen though.
We don't have a pen, but we can chalk. I'm sure we'll be able to find one somewhere. But yeah, first one ticked off the box. Good to go.
Do it. Go, go, go. Yay!
The monorail.
The monorail. Or as my siblings would say.
Monorail.
They're from Gloucestershire.
The purple monorail.
The purple monorail. Because now we only have 18 minutes to sign in for our virtual queue.
Okay, let's do that.
Whereas we have an hour for the lightning.
Well, that just makes sense, doesn't it?
So it's very loud in here. Song guesses.
September.
So I won Iran, but I think it's going to be one way or another.
I'm going September, 100%.
And you won. I think it's going to be.
Yeah, I think it's going to be September. I guessed right last time, so...
Marvel fans. Look at that. Xander.
Xandarians also travel by water. Our city boasts extensive canals.
Had a similar goal in mind with his early.
Here she is. Look at that. You excited?
Yeah?
You excited? Literally, this is a virtual queue and it's basically a walk-on. Look at that. Filmed all the pre-show bit that we're allowed to, so we're going to put the camera away Let's see who win. Also, correction, I won that the last time.
You did.
So I said conga last time and we got conga.
I said September this time. So.
Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see. We had Disco Inferno.
Disco Inferno.
Neither of us were right. No.
And now
that was sick though.
We're going back on it.
Oh god, I'm gonna throw up. I'm not, don't worry. Oh, so that was the virtual queue. And now time for the lightning lane.
Now time for the lightning that we've got here.
Also, that was basically a walk on.
Yeah, pretty much. All we did was we went straight through. Usually you can tell on Guardians when it's not that busy because
yeah.
we went through and there's no one queuing.
Yeah. We go again.
I'm still going to stick with September.
Yeah, now I've had Disco Inferno, I'm going to stick with Iran or what's my other one way or another.
For yourself. What's happening?
But it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this. We're all toast. First it was cake, now there's toast.
Guess
Let's
what
go
we
for the
had?
photo op in front of the thing.
We had
Hey.
Iran.
Yeah, we got it. Annabelle got it. She was
I was right. Now I can't see
We're going to
shit.
get our photo in front of one of the Star Cruisers now. We're going to get our photos.
Yeah, it literally tells you how money other names for it.
Where is my husband? Look at the Chinese snacks.
Mocky.
Mocky.
Who's for the mocky?
Actually suits you. You have to write it down though. Wow. And that was the House of Good Fortune. That's finally open.
What you say?
I said that was the House of Good Fortune now that it was finally open.
Yeah, no, it was good. It was nice in there. It's just Annabelle wants to get back to do these vinyls and I want to carry on eating.
Yeah, but we can do the vinyls and come back.
Yeah, but you say that.
Yeah, I do, and I mean it.
We'll see.
TBC. Now we're in India.
Why don't you go try it?
I think I will.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah, you have a good day.
So Annabelle's got her potato and pea puree samosas. So,
Is it a puree?
yeah, that'll be a mint puree, I want to say.
Yeah, that's coriander and lime.
Oh, oh my god, that is good. Potato and pea wasn't really for me, but the puree is really nice. Is it good?
It's just like a vegetable samosa. You'll like it.
But is it like the best samosa you've ever had? I'll take that as a no.
Now I'm thinking.
She's thinking of all the samosas she's ever had in her life.
I am, because at my school we used to get samosas in sixth form, and then at Mel workplace, don't work there now. We used to get samosas every other Friday,
Yeah.
or every fourth Friday.
You like?
This is the best in terms of flavour.
Okay, that's good.
But
That's a good thing.
I prefer the others because they're more triangle and more flat, so they're easier to eat. Whereas this is very 3D.
Yeah,
If that makes sense.
I got you. I'm thinking of getting a drink from that place, that post place there. So I remember getting a drink from there last time, and they had root beers. I'm gonna get a root beer. Should we? Okay, I'll give it a try. Like I said, it just wasn't really for me, but we'll see. I'll try the side with the puree.
What do you rate that? Yeah. See, as soon as I seen samosas, I was like, I'm sold.
Really, really good.
I do love a samosa.
Considering that's like a vegetarian dish.
Yeah.
That's super good. That makes it though. The pure
Yeah,
makes
I
it.
feel like that's what's made me say it's probably the best in terms of flavour.
Yeah, that's good. I like it.
I like it.
So we've gone for very close. So we've gone for the bratwurst on a pretzel roll with mustard. So it's only a tiny little one, but I think it should do the job. Perch our buckets of drinks, and then there it is.
In all its glory.
Yeah. So I'll let Annabelle have the first bite. Okie dokie artichokey.
Do I have a bit of the mustard?
I would, yeah, have a bit of the mustard, yeah. Good? Yeah? Oh, there's a lot of mustard on that.
You scrape it off and you dip it in mustard again. Okay. Oh, the smell of this. Wow. The smell. Ooh. You can get actual worthy spread.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi.
Can we just have one of the bags of the popcorn?
Yes, anything else?
That's it.
Second veggie.
True Germany style. We have the Christmas. Look at that. Every for peacocks. Those.
Alright, so we just bought the Werther's Original Caramel Popcorn. Annabelle's just getting a photo of it. So I'm gonna let Annabelle have the first taste. So Werther's Original, obviously we've got that in the UK, but we've never had like caramel popcorn from like, honestly the smell when you get in the shop is ridiculous. It's what I imagine like, you know if you walk into an actual chocolate factory, and it's like, that's the smell. I'm gonna put my sunglasses on as well because I can't see a thing. There you go. Is it as good as... Is it as good as it looked? Yeah. Does Jake get any? No.
Happy? So good. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Look at that.
Very good.
Look at that. Look at that. Now we go to España.
So, jamón ibérico, manchego cheese, and pan con tomato, which I imagine is like a bruschetta.
Oh, I'm thinking the paella negra.
What with the actual octopus on there?
So it's squid ink rice with shrimp, bay scallops and octopus served with garlic aioli.
I know, but I don't know.
You don't have to eat the octopus. Go on, be adventurous.
Okay.
So we've gone for the paella negra.
Negra. The rice is good.
Yeah?
Right, I'm gonna try scallop.
Yep.
Never had scallops before.
Have you not? Yes, you have.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Now try a prawn.
This is shrimp, so I'm gonna try that shrimp. Oh.
Yeah? Now try the
shrimp.
octopus.
No.
Just take a little bite of it. Grab it and just take a little bite.
Okay. It's like having calamari.
Yeah. Yeah?
It's actually really nice.
Told you be adventurous.
Okay, so Annabelle's going to try the octopus.
Look at that. So good. Thing about me,
Oh, sorry. There's a bee having a party on our drinks.
Jake, leave it and it will go. I love fish.
Get out of it. It's on your drink now.
Oh, so that's not.
No! Oh, it's in your drink. Oh. Just fly away, bee. Fly away. Classic interaction here. Go away. It's the other side of the cup. Oh wait, is he gone? No, it's still there. He's gone. Quick, 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 quick. Oh, 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 Annabelle, it's on my head. Oh, I think it's on my head.
It's gone, it's gone.
No, is it gone?
It's not there.
Is it gone? Is it gone?
Every man for let's stay here. Every man for themselves.
Right.
So the rice, amazing. Scallops, amazing. Octopus, amazing. Now let's try shrimp.
That shrimp is amazing. That's the best part.
What we've got.
So we've got Italian nachos.
Like it kind of speaks for itself.
According to the guy that was Italian that worked there,
Yeah.
they're better than the meatballs.
Oh, okay.
Says a lot.
Okay, and you do like your nachos, so.
Mamma Maglione. Bing La's gonna give it a go now. This is so good. So good.
The beef, amazing.
Yeah.
The tortillas.
Really? Let's get a spoon then.
They taste like stale.
Oh, I like them.
Tell me the song. Go on. Jake, what's the song?
Let's see.
A Pizza Hut, come chicken fried chicken on the Pizza Hut. So you can actually eat to the beat. The M80s is on next apparently.
Smash Mouth are on tomorrow. No, 15th.
15th. Smash Mouth are on the 15th. So cool. Oh, so you put yours around. I put mine already on. Let's see what happens. Oh wow. Very artsy. Show us your bag, show us your pins. Jake's just bought that. Food and wine festival. What's that?
This one's speaking to you. Good job. Yes, welcome. Perfect. Good job. Now let's see what's inside of your oyster. This kind of wool shell. So please scan down. 3, 2, 1. Each of yours. Perfect. You ready? Alright, let's go.
3、2、1。
your pearl. Your beautiful shiny pearl is right here. 7 millimeters pearl. Congratulations. This is our nice big size pearl. Great choice. This is for you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, you look beautiful.
She got her own one.
Are you a huge fan of Marvel?
Yeah.
Oh, opposite we don't have any Marvel.
I know.
We have some kind kind of Disney design.
Kind of, yeah, I like them.
Maybe you can see something designed on the window.
Yeah.
Like the castle.
That's one with the castle.
Yeah.
I think that.
The hidden Mickey.
Yeah, I can see.
Where are you visiting from?
England.
England, I've always want to go there.
It's okay.
Yeah. My friend lives in England.
Yeah.
So that's why I want to go there.
Do you know where they live in England?
I'm not sure.
Not sure.
Near Liverpool.
Near Liverpool.
I think.
Oh no.
Yes.
Has her, what is it called?
I'm halfway devoured it. Also, I pronounced it correctly.
What is it?
A processor.
What flavour? What flavour did you go for?
Vanilla.
Vanilla. We are just gonna head to the UK, which is our last. We're just gonna head to the UK, which is our last stop before we go to Magic Kingdom for the fireworks. So we're gonna go try and suss it out, try and find a nice spot so that we're not standing up for the next 3 hours, and then we'll go from there.
Go on. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Shake those shoulders.
That's all I can do.
We are on the ferry boat. Let's go off the monorail from Epcot. Now we get the ferry. Hello.
Hello.
Nice to seeing you here.
What's that?
I'll see that. Where are you going?
I'm going Magic Kingdom.
Oh, nice.
Where are you going?
Animal.
Always closed.
Oh no. Oh, hello again.
Hello.